Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to go to recently deleted on Instagram. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all you need to go into your profile, and then in here I will basically delete any specific post here. Okay, so let's suppose that if I delete this post here, if I delete this post from here basically, okay, and here you can see that I have just deleted this post. Now you will tap on the three lines at the top right here, then you will go here where it says your activity, and here you can see this option where it says recently deleted. So just tap on this one, and here you can see that we have this picture. So just open it up, and now if you want to basically restore it, just tap on these three dots here, and in the last you can see this option where it says restore. So just click on this one, click on restore, and now it will be back into your profile. Okay, so just tap on view on profile, and now you can see that we have got this image back. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.